Hey guys, how you doing? In today's video, I am going to show you what are the GoHighLabel membership sites, what the features it has, and how you can use in your business. If you are agency owner, you have some option to teach your clients. You want to teach how the software works or any kind of course you want to create for your clients. So you can use this GoHighLabel membership site and create your courses and upload those courses in this site. So it is very handy tool and to create the membership sites for your clients. First of all, you have to log in into the software and search for the funnels and websites. And here you will get three options. First is funnels, second is websites, and third is memberships. Click on the membership option. And after that, this window will open. Here it says let's get started. This is the GoHighLabel membership site. Here you can create the courses and upload here. It has unlimited number of video watch hours. You can create unlimited number of videos and you can post it here. There is no limit in it. And it also replaces the software such as Kajabi. Previously you may be using Kajabi software for your course creation. It may be costing you lots of dollars per month, but you can use this GoHighLabel membership site instead of Kajabi. So it is a very good option. You will get to save lots of money from using this GoHighLabel membership site. So here you can see this is the home page, and on the left hand side you will see the dashboard. Here you will see all the details of the courses you have. Here it says how many opt-ins in the last 13 days 30 days you have, how many members you have in the last 30 days, and how many sales you have generated in the last 30 days, and how many checkouts are there in the last 30 days. So this is the dashboard overview. Here you can see all the details. So second is the product section. Here you can see how many projects you have and what are the offers you have. And the next option is analytics, and fourth option is settings. So let's go to the all products section, and here you can create new products. So it says create digital products in minutes. Pick your product template and start building. Here you can create four types of courses. First is sprint course. It is a short courses to build gateway to membership. And second option is marathon course. It says train and upskill your audience with your niche. And third is membership. Nurture and mentor your network. And fourth is build your own. You can build a custom product that matches your content. So these are the four options in which you can create your course. So let's create a sprint course for this example. Just click on the start building, and it says what is the name of your product. Sprint course. You can name anything like digital marketing sprint course and create product. So the product has been created. You can always edit the details, you can preview it, you can customize it, and there are more options like clone and share. In the edit details, you can give the title, you can give the description, you can even give the product thumbnail, which image size should be 1280 into 720 pixels. And in the preview section, you can preview the course. And in customize section, you can customize this course, such as header, hero, product sidebar, and settings. You can add the favicon. So the product structure is given here. Here you will see the course contains. First is welcome abroad. Then lesson 1 is the what. Lesson 2 is the why. Lesson 3 is the how, and what next. In the first video, you have to welcome your clients and and tell them what they will learn in this course, how they will be beneficial for them. So you record a video and you have to upload it here. And after that, you can give the title, categories, and you can write the details about the course in the body section. You can post the thumbnail, create a good thumbnail, and you can post it here. And you can even attach some files if you want to give some PDFs or slideshows, then you can attach the file here. And likewise, in the lesson 1, you have to tell what is this course about. Create a video and upload it here and tell what is this course about and how this can help in their business. Here also you can add post titles, categories, body section, thumbnails, as well as you can add files. So in this way you can add more lessons. Listen to the why. In this lesson you can add why they should watch this video and how they will get benefited. Then lesson 3 the how. Then lesson 4 what next. You can add as many as courses you want, and you can add the lessons also. So after adding the video lessons, you can preview it. So this is how your course will look like. Here you can add your own logo. Here is the library. Here they can log in and log out. Here it says digital marketing sprint course. They can start the course from here, and they will see the course content. Here is the welcome abroad video, then lesson 1 video, lesson 2 video, lesson 3 video, and what's next. Lesson 4 you can increase the video lessons here, and it will also show how many lessons they have completed and the name of the instructor. You can also give here the name of the instructor who is teaching this course. So when they click on the start the course button, then this window will open. This is the welcome video. It will tell about the details of the course, and this is the first course. Here you can upload the thumbnail. It will be appear here. and if you upload the video, then video will also appear here, and they can choose the lessons they want to watch. And after watching the video, they can mark as complete. So in this way, your customers or your clients will watch your video lessons. So now let's see what other things available in this Go High Level membership sites. In the offer section, you can create new offers. Offers are basically the price of the course. Here you can see in the dashboard, you can see how many units you have sold in the 30 days, how many revenue you have generated, and you can see all time revenue, and you can create the new offer from here. You can give offer title, you can select the product and what the price you want to give. So and in the next option you have analytics. In the analytics tab, you can see what are the progress you have. So this is the product progress. Here you will see how many courses your clients have viewed, or you will get all the analytics here. So and the last fourth option is called settings. In the setting tab, you will get lot of settings for your membership site. Here in the site details, you can edit the site info like site title and subdomains. Here you can give the site title, you can add in subdomain, you can add in support email, you can add a support number, you can generate a magic link. For branding, use a logo and favicon for your site. You can add a logo here and you can add a favicon here. After that, you can even add custom domain to this membership site. Suppose you want your membership site to load on a custom domain, then you can also add a custom domain from this setting. Here you can add your domain and you can connect it from here. You have to point the ANM record to this IP address, or CNM record point to this website, and it will be connected as a new domain. And you can even customize email setting. So here is the email setting. When somebody will join your course, then system will automatically send our welcome message. It says automatically send a welcome email when somebody completes the offer checkout. When they check out in your course, then they will get a email. So basically this is how you can use Go High Level membership site, and it is very good addition in Go High Level software. You can get great benefit from it. So you don't have to use other softwares for course creation. You can just use this Go High Level membership site and you can create lot of courses and you can educate your clients. So this is very good option. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then give a thumbs up to this video. And if you want 14 days free trial of this GoHighLevel software, then you can go into the description and click the link and sign up from there. So thank you for watching this video and have a great day.